Where precipitation is less than 250 milliliter, it is called a desert. Obviously, it is difficult to survive in desert. Cactus make a smart strategy to survive in desert. Make its body bigger so it can store more water in it. Make their leaves as small and sharp as possible so it prevents evaporation. Their thorns protect themselves from wild animals. The only problem that cactus has are leaving their offspring. To do that, they need blossom. But in the hot weather, the flowers dried out easily. The bats in Mexico fly over 700 miles to travel across Mexico to Arizona desert. The Arizona cactus bloom their flowers at the time the bat arrives. The bat drinks honey from the flower of the desert and feed their babies with the fruit of the cactus. The seeds are in the fruit, so the bats carry those seeds in their stomach when they go back to Mexico. That is how the Arizona cactus survive from the desert and leave their offspring. In the book Easy Science, the author introduced many interesting scientific stories. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel. It was Korean Library. Thank you.